Hey y'all, I'm Cheryl, Colorado herbalist, your herbal and spiritual guide. And today let's talk about garlic and make a garlic tincture. It's really easy. But first, please hit subscribe and like this video down below. So garlic is great for immunity. And a homemade tincture is an easy, inexpensive, and something that you can have on hand. You'll definitely want to do this. Garlic, or the Latin name is Allium sativum, is not only an immune enhancer, but also a topical antifungal, respiratory expectorant, and antimicrobial, cholesterol lowering, blood thinner, circulatory and blood tonic, and an antioxidant. It contains allicin, A-L-L-I-C-I-N, which is responsible for the burning that garlic does. It's also the constituent that is the antimicrobial and antifungal property. But garlic can cause third-degree burns on skin. So if you're using garlic on a topical thing, just don't put garlic directly on skin because it can cause those burns. Garlic has so many applications, but today we're only going to talk about creating and using garlic in tincture form. It's the easiest and probably best way to get the immune enhancing benefits from garlic, which means now is a great time to begin brewing your tincture, so to speak. It's not really brewing though. So to create a tincture, garlic tincture, you're going to need a bulb of garlic, which is this. So to be clear, this is the bulb, this is the clove. I know sometimes people get confused. The clove is a little part of the bulb. You're going to need a whole bulb. You'll also need alcohol. So if you're not gluten-free, you can use a whole grain alcohol such as Everclear, and that you would dilute it 50-50 with distilled water. But you can also use vodka, brandy, gin, or other high alcohol liquor. And I use a gluten-free vodka. This just happens to be the one that I have now. And it is 80 proof, so it's 40% alcohol, and I don't dilute this. So you'll also need a pint canning jar or something similar that has a lid that you can put on tightly, a strainer or cheesecloth, and a tincture bottle with a dropper. So you're going to finely chop up a bulb of garlic and place it in the pint jar and cover it with the alcohol like I've done here. And then you're going to cover it up tightly and let it steep away from direct light and in a fairly cool place for 2 to 3 weeks. You're going to turn it, mixing it 2 to 3 times a day. And then after 2 to 3 weeks is over, you're going to strain it and then store it. You can then put it in these bottles and store it. And this will last quite a while. These tinctures will last years, but I doubt very much you're going to have your garlic tincture for that long because you're going to be using it. The dose for this is 30 to 60 drops a day, which is 1 to 2 droppers full a day. And you can mix it in juice or water or whatever, and then just drink it down. Surprisingly for me, it doesn't, when I dilute it to take it as a dose, it's not like you're eating a garlic clove. So don't worry about that. But if you're very sensitive to it, just dilute it more down and just make sure you drink it all in the day. And like I said, this keeps for years, but you probably won't have it that long. And there you are. You have worked your own kitchen magic for a healthier body through this season of colds and flus and other viruses. Let me know down below how your tincture making goes. Leave a comment. And until next time, bye.